Hello Vivekians. Welcome to your first day of school from home. Hope you all are doing well. That's Priya Sakhuja, your science teacher. So, today we will study your chapter number 1 from your milestone coursebook of science, volume 1. And the topic includes plants, our green friends. Now, write down the today's date on the page number 1. Those who are having the books, just simply write the date. And those who are not having, just don't worry. We will share you the screenshots of the desirable pages so that you can easily understand the chapter that we will study today. First and foremost, let us read the main purpose of this chapter before its beginning. That why we are studying this chapter, what is the main reason of studying it, and what we will study today. So, we will get the knowledge regarding the plants. आज हम plants के बारे में जानकारी लेंगे. But how? So, we will identify and observe the different kinds of plants and their parts. We will learn about the different parts of the leaf and how to draw them by labeling them properly. And then we will get to know about the functions of each and every part of the leaf in the details. Now students, focus on the Let's Begin section given on the top of this page. So, I think you all have seen the different kinds of plants. You all have seen the variety of plants, I guess. So, here we are having some examples like the tomato, which is a kind of herb with the soft and the delicate stem. Another one is the rose, which is a shrub, a kind of small tree with a strong stem. Next includes your banyan tree with a very strong roots. Another one is that of the grapevine, which is a kind of climber that climbs upwards with the support of other things. Another one is the watermelon, which is a kind of creeper that creeps on the floor. Now I think that you all have been to the garden and walk over there. You all have gone to your school garden as well. So have you ever observed the different kinds of plants over there? The plants can be of different colors as well. It can be red, purple and white. Now let us have a look on the various parts of the plant. And first of all, we will focus with the roots. So the roots may hold the plant in the place, soak up the water too. How the roots will help? तो रूट्स क्या करती हैं, ये प्लांट्स को उसकी प्रॉपर पोजीशन पर मेंटेन रखती हैं और जितना भी वाटर हमने रूट्स को दिया है ये सारा का सारा पानी सोख लेती हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द स्टेम. सो इट मूव्स द वाटर अप टू द प्लांट एंड ब्रिंग इट टू द लीव्स. अब स्टेम क्या करती हैं, जितना भी पानी हमने रूट्स को दिया है वो सारा का सारा स्टेम अपने साथ लेकर जाएंगी और लीव्स को फर्दर पास ऑन कर देंगी. सो स्टेम इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ कनेक्शन बिटवीन द लीफ एंड द रूट्स. Now next is the turn of leaves. Now how the leaves will help? So it will prepare the food for the plants. Now students, here you can see some fallen leaves. These can be of different colors, shapes and the sizes as well. Now let us learn about the various parts of the leaves and their functions. But before telling you about the various parts of the leaves, let us learn how to draw them through the help of a small video. Drawing the leaf. The line that goes through the center is called as the midrib or the midvein. The tubes that goes towards both the sides from the center are called as the side veins. Just like the human body's veins, the veins are also present in the leaf. Now, the line that joins the leaf to the stem is called as the stalk. If we magnify the leaf under a microscope, we see many parts of the leaf. So, the small lines near the side veins
are called as the small netted vein, and the very small openings near the midvein are called as the stomata. Now, the flat side of the leaf is called as the leaf plate or the lamina.
So students, this is all about drawing the leaf. Now let us come back again to page number 1 in the Let's Find Out section, and here we will learn the parts of the leaf in the details. So first of all, we will begin up with the stomata. So here you can see the diagram of the stomata. So these are the kind of small openings on the lower surface of the leaf. अब ये क्या होती हैं, बहुत छोटी छोटी सी ओपनिंग्स होती हैं लीफ के लोअर सरफेस के ऊपर, जिनको हम जनरली लीफ की विंडोज़ भी कहते हैं. एंड हाउ डज इट हेल्प? सो it will help in the exchange of gases like oxygen and the carbon dioxide with the surroundings. अब कैसे exchange of gases ये कैसे करवाती हैं? तो as we all know कि हम कौन सी गैस को रिलीज़ करते हैं? We release out carbon dioxide gas, and which gas the plants will release? So they will release the oxygen gas. अब जो गैस प्लांट्स रिलीज़ करते हैं उस ऑक्सीजन गैस को हम अपने अंदर इनहेल कर लेते हैं, और जिस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस को हम एनवायरनमेंट में रिलीज़ करते हैं वो प्लांट्स के लिए फूड का वर्क करती है. और इन टर्न व्हाट द प्लांट्स विल डू? सो जितनी भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस होती है उसको वो अपने अंदर इनहेल कर लेते हैं, और इन टर्न हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को भी वो क्लीन कर देते हैं. सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज़ दैट ऑफ द स्टॉक. अब स्टॉक क्या करता है? तो द स्टॉक हेल्प्स इन अटैचिंग द लीफ टू द प्लांट. सो द स्टॉक इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ अटैचमेंट, सोर्स ऑफ अटैचमेंट. किसके बीच में? प्लांट के बीच में और लीफ के बीच में. अब एक अटैचमेंट भी तो ज़रूरी है ना, जिसकी हेल्प से प्लांट जो है वो लीफ के साथ जुड़ा होगा. सो दैट अटैचमेंट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ स्टॉक. अनदर पार्ट इज़ दैट ऑफ द लीफ प्लेट. सो इट इज़ द फ्लैट पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज लैमिना. बहुत ही फ्लैट पार्ट होता है ये लीफ का, जिसको हम बोलते हैं लैमिना भी कह सकते हैं हम इसको. और इट कैन बी नैरो और ब्रॉड. ये बहुत ही बारीक भी हो सकता है और चौड़ा भी हो सकता है. और यू कैन से कि लेस सरफेस एरिया और मोर सरफेस एरिया भी हो सकता है लैमिना का. तो इट इज़ यूजुअली ग्रीन इन कलर. एंड ग्रीन, why it is green in color? Due to the presence of the pigment known as the chlorophyll. Now, before telling you about the veins, let me introduce you with this line that is passing through the middle of this leaf, that is known as the midvein, and the lines that are passing through the sideways are known as the side veins. Now, how the veins will help? So these are the tubes running across the leaf. बहुत minute छोटी छोटी सी नैरो सी ट्यूब्स होती हैं जो लीफ के अंदर रन कर रही होती हैं, और ये क्या करती हैं? जितना भी फूड लीव्स ने प्रिपेयर किया है, so they will carry that food to the various parts of the plant. Now it's turn for your homework. So come to your page number 2 and the experiment number 1. So students, what you will do here? The aim of this experiment is that you will take a leaf and you will observe the various parts of the leaf like leaf blade, stalk, main vein and the side veins. And the material required for this is that obviously a small leaf or a fallen leaf. And the procedure will be or the method, you can say. What you will do? You will observe that leaf under the light, and in the My Findings section you will draw that leaf properly by labeling its various parts. Now students, those who are having the books, you can draw this diagram in the My Findings section in your book only, and those who are not having the books, you can draw this diagram in your notebooks as well. No need to worry. Now one more homework we are having in your practice book, and that is your My Turn 1. So here what you will do, you will take the leaf of the people plant or any other plant and you will paint it on one side and make an impression in this box. Okay students? Now it is a humble request to the parents to kindly assist your ward only. Don't do their works. Let them do themselves, because when they will read this, only then they will get to understand it properly. Students, till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.